Hello and welcome to Ms. Shaw's Math Learning video for Wednesday, September 16th. So just quickly to go over the vocabulary, today we're going to actually be using the words compare, greater than, less than, equal, those concepts. So when you compare numbers, you're identifying when a number is greater than, less than, or equal to another number. So you're looking at the two numbers and you're talking about whether they're bigger, smaller, or the same. So greater than is bigger or more than. So 50 is a bigger number than 40. 50 is greater than 40. Less than means it's a smaller number. 20 is smaller or less than 30. If a number is equal, it has the same value. So 4 tens and 9 ones is 49. 49 is equal to 49. Same value. So these are our teaks we're working with this week, representing sets. Remember to keep practice subitizing a little each day. One video a day is more than enough, and you do not need to write anything down. It should just be done visually, and they should be saying it out orally. So here's some subitizing videos that you can use to practice. There's lots of them on YouTube, so if you ever want to search for one or you've watched these all and you want to watch another one, just check out subitizing videos for kindergarten, and there's a ton of them. For lesson 3, we're going to be identifying and creating sets. So your lesson 3 objective, what you're going to be able to do, the student will be able to identify and generate sets using concrete and pictorial models up to 10.